Hey everyone, I am Rajpriya and I am going to talk about what is REST API and how to code for it. So first of all, what is exactly the REST API? REST stands for Representational State Transfer API, and it's just a fancy way of saying that a server responds to create, read, update and delete requests in a standard way. This is a request API architecture where client sends a request to a server and server responds back to a client using a HTTP methods which are get, post, put and delete. The idea behind REST is to treat all server URLs as access point for the various resources on the server. REST API can be used by any website or application no matter what language it is written in, because the requests are based on the universal HTTP protocols and the information is usually returned in the JSON format that all the programming languages can read. Now let's come to the CRUD part. So what is CRUD? CRUD is basically the create, read, update and delete operations. Create is done using a post method, read is done using the get method, update is done using the put method and delete is done using the delete method. So what is get? Get is used to get a list of entire resources. Post is used to post a or create a new resources. Put is used to update a resource with a particular given ID. Delete is used to delete or destroy the resource with a particular given ID and acts on a single resource. Now, let's take an example for LinkedIn. There you can create your profile and the method which works behind is the post method. Also, you can see many post, comment, etc. there. That's all because of the get method. Now, if you want to update your new profile pic or any other thing you need to update, then the method which get hitted on the server side is the put method. Now, if you have added a post earlier, now you want to delete it. To delete it, the method which is hitted back to the server is the delete method. Now let's come to the demonstration and coding part. Let me open my Webstorm. So here it is, connection.js file. Here I have made the connection with database and the database name is CRUD. I have given all the requirements here. Now this is the function execute query, which I have used in other files for executing my query. So let's start my server first. Okay, let's stop this. Let's start. Okay, so here you will get the message successfully connected to a database and error will be null. So let me show my database first. So this is the database CRUD and the tables which are there in a CRUD database is courses, enrolled students and students. And if I want to see a table student, then here already there are students available, and but the course and enrolled students table is empty. So now let's create it. Let's move on to the student.js file. Okay, so the methods which I have used in student.js file is the get method and get method for ID, but I have also used here a middleware that is check token, which will require a token for getting a user by a particular ID. So for this I have used the post method for sign up and post method for login. So let's go to a Postman. Here I will see my students. When I will hit send, then the student with total 6, their total 6 students will be here. Now let me sign up as a new student. Okay, so let me sign up as a Ghana. Okay, so and password let it be same. Now if I hit the send button, then success message will be here. Now if I see a student list, So ID with 7 and username 7, this new student will be created. Now if I log in, so for login here in body section I will write Kana and password is same. So let me hit enter. Sorry, the password is wrong. Okay, wait. Let me cancel this and write ABCD. Okay, so here the token is generated. Now if you go to get a student by ID, okay, if I wanna, then under authorization section I will choose a bearer token, and this token will be copied here already. So now if I wanna see student with ID 3 and hit enter, then a student with ID 3 will be here. Similarly, if I wanna see student with ID 7, then a student with ID 7 will be seen here. Okay, now let's go to a courses.js file. Okay, so this is the courses.js file. Here I have used get method for ID. Similar, I have also used a check token here, then post method for posting a course or adding a new course, and post method for enrolling a new student and enrolling the existing student, and for deregistering put method, and for deleting delete method. So let's go to Postman now. Here I have get courses method. So when I hit send button, then courses, there's no courses available as we have already sent in the database. This is empty. So let me add a course first. Okay, post course, sorry. Okay, let me add this course. Okay, course created with ID this. Now let me get a course with the ID 1. Okay, here this is the course. You will also see on the authorization section there is a token. Okay, now let me enroll some student in course with ID 1. Let me enroll student with ID 7 here. So here it is, student enrolled successfully. Then if I wanna see this, then it is here. Yep. So this is all. And if I wanna deregister a student, for example, I have registered a student with the ID. There is no student with ID 2 in a course 1, so this will return a message that no such student enrolled. So now student with ID 7, I will hit send, and student deregistered successfully, and I will see this from here that no students are here. Okay, now if I wanna delete, let me add one more course. Okay, let it call maths. Okay, and A B C D, whatever it is. Okay, course created with ID 2. Now if I wanna delete a course with ID 2, then I will delete it. Okay, so there will be no course with ID 2. Now if you will see this on my MySQL server, that students, there are total 7 students. Empty, sorry, there is one course. Let enroll someone. Yes. Let me enroll student. This ID. Student enroll successfully. If I wanna see this here, then enroll students. Okay. So in course ID 1, student ID 7, student Kana will be enrolled. Okay. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching, and consider liking if you like the video.